Okay, Inger here again. Now let's go to our site, your blog and dashboard, and we'll look at the redirect in the Pretty Link. So we click on Pretty Link. Let's look at the one that we just created, and we'll open that in a new window so I can show you the target URL, which is showing in the address bar. Now, the target URL showing in the address bar says greenlabel.com PCF Y promote green label early bird 2. You might want to have your own URL showing, like you have a something.com and the Pretty Link that you created, and you want that to show after people have clicked the link. So let's go back to Pretty Link and see how we can do that. So we'll click on Edit. Now the redirection type we set on the previous video, we set that to temporary. Now we have permanent, pretty bar cloaked. Now if I choose cloaked and update, let's see what's in the address bar when I click view in a new window. Now you see in the address bar it says my user and the Pretty Link. So that is how you cloak your Pretty Link. Let's take a look at how we can create a pretty bar. So we'll create a pretty bar, and I'll tell you why you would want to create a pretty bar. I'll click add new link, and up here in redirection type I click pretty bar. Now when would we want to use a pretty bar? That is when you have on your blog an article or something written by someone else, and you want to show that on your blog, but you still want people to remain on your blog. Now let me show you how we do that. Here I have Mari Smith's blog. She has great articles, and here's 14 ways to get more Facebook shares. I'd like to put this link on my blog, but I want people to stay on my blog and not go to Mary's blog. Okay, so let me show you how we do that. We copy the URL for this article and we pull it over to Pretty Link. Here in Pretty Link, I've chosen redirection type pretty bar, and I paste the URL in here, and I change the Pretty Link to Mary, and the title I leave open because this will capture the title of the article, 14 ways to get more Facebook shares. And I click create. Now when we come here, you see how to get more shares on Facebook. So now we see there's a star telling us that it's using Pretty Bar. And let's click on the number 2 here to open in a new window where the URL says Better Lifestyle, which is mine. Now here we have the article by Mary Smith, but you see up here at the top, it's keeping the visitor on my blog. So I click and I'm still on my blog. So that was how to use Cloaked and Pretty Bar. So in the next video, I'll show you some more of the options inside Pretty Link.